everyone, welcome back to Power Wheels, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Cars, SUVs, trucks, and today, something truly extraordinary. If you've ever dreamed of taking your home on the road without compromising on luxury, technology, and power, then you're going to love what we're about to talk about. Because in this video, we're diving deep into the all-new Toyota Motorhome 2026, Toyota's next-generation smart RV designed to redefine adventure and comfort for the modern traveler. So sit back, relax, and let's hit the road into the future of motorhomes. Now, Toyota has always been known for reliability, innovation, and practicality. But the 2026 Motorhome takes things to an entirely new level. It's not just a vehicle, it's a complete living ecosystem on wheels. From smart connectivity to hybrid powertrains and a futuristic design, this is the kind of RV that blurs the line between luxury home and travel machine. Let's start with the design. The exterior of the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is simply breathtaking. Toyota's designers have created something that looks like it's come straight out of a sci-fi movie. The body lines are smooth yet powerful, giving it an aerodynamic look that also improves efficiency on long journeys. The front fascia features a bold grille with integrated LED lighting that adapts automatically to road conditions. The huge panoramic windshield not only provides a commanding view of the road, but also floods the interior with natural light. On the sides, you'll notice flush-fitting windows, smart sensors for obstacle detection, and automatic slide-out sections that expand your living space when parked. The rear is sleek, with high-mounted LED taillights and a hidden storage compartment that doubles as a bike or gear locker. Toyota has even introduced an optional solar roof that powers onboard electronics and can partially recharge the hybrid battery while you're parked in the sun. Moving inside, the real magic begins. The interior of the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is designed like a luxury apartment on wheels. Step inside and you're greeted with premium materials, ambient lighting, and intelligent space management. Every inch of the cabin feels futuristic yet incredibly practical. The living area includes a foldable sofa that transforms into a queen-size bed, an extendable dining table, and even a retractable 55-inch OLED display for entertainment. The kitchen area is fully equipped with an induction stove, smart refrigerator, microwave, and purified water system. All appliances are connected through Toyota's Smart Drive Hub, allowing you to control them using voice commands or through a mobile app. Imagine saying, "Hey Toyota, start the coffee maker," and it happens instantly while you're still relaxing in bed. The bathroom setup is compact, yet surprisingly luxurious. It includes a rainfall shower, eco-flush toilet, and a digital mirror that also serves as a health monitor, tracking your hydration, sleep patterns, and overall wellness. Now, when it comes to sleeping, Toyota has outdone itself. The master bed is located at the rear with memory foam and climate control features, ensuring you get the perfect temperature throughout the night. The lighting automatically adjusts to your circadian rhythm, helping you sleep better and wake up refreshed. Let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 comes with a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain combining a 2.5-liter engine with advanced electric motors. This setup delivers smooth acceleration and incredible fuel efficiency, giving you up to 900 kilometers on a single tank with electric assist. There's also a fully electric variant that offers around 600 kilometers of range, ideal for eco-conscious travelers. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery on the go, and the built-in solar panels add extra power during daylight hours. The driving experience has been engineered for comfort and confidence. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, while Toyota's advanced AI driving assist can handle lane changes, parking, and even slow-speed navigation in tight campgrounds. The cockpit itself looks like something from the future. with a digital panoramic display that combines navigation, vehicle stats, and entertainment into one seamless interface. Safety, as always, is a top priority for Toyota. The Motorhome 2026 is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, and even fatigue monitoring. It's like having a co-pilot who's always alert and ready to protect you. What's even more exciting is how smart the entire vehicle is. Using Toyota's Smart Connect ecosystem, you can control lighting, temperature, appliances, and even the security system from your smartphone or smartwatch. Planning your trip, the onboard AI can map routes, find nearby campsites, and even check weather and terrain conditions for your journey. For adventurers who love exploring off the beaten path, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 offers an optional all-wheel drive system and terrain mode selection. Whether you're driving through mountains, deserts, or snowy trails, the system adapts traction and torque distribution automatically to keep you in control. The sound insulation is world-class, ensuring a peaceful ride even at high speeds. And yes, the onboard entertainment system supports 5G streaming, surround sound, and wireless connectivity for all your devices. Toyota has also focused heavily on sustainability. Most interior materials are made from recycled eco-friendly composites, and even the paint uses a low-emission formula. The solar charging system can power essential functions without using fuel, making it perfect for long off-grid stays. Now, let's talk about the price and availability. While Toyota hasn't released official numbers yet, industry insiders expect the starting price to be around $180,000 for the hybrid variant and closer to $220,000 for the fully electric version. Given the level of innovation, comfort, and technology on offer, many believe it's going to set a new benchmark in the luxury motorhome market. So, who is this motorhome for? It's for those who love the open road, but don't want to sacrifice the comforts of home. Whether you're a digital nomad, a retired traveler, or a family that loves exploring together, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 delivers something for everyone. Imagine parking beside a lake, setting up camp with one tap, and watching the sunset through that panoramic window while your smart kitchen prepares dinner. That's the kind of experience Toyota wants to give you. Freedom, comfort, and peace of mind, all rolled into one. As we move into 2026, the automotive world is shifting towards sustainable and intelligent mobility, and Toyota is leading the charge. The Motorhome 2026 is proof that the future of travel isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about enjoying every mile of the journey in style and harmony with nature. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the Toyota Motorhome 2026. What do you think of this futuristic RV? Would you love to live and travel in one of these? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Power Wheels, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on the latest cars, campers, and electric vehicles from around the world. Thanks for watching. This is Power Wheels signing off.